Tired of losing track of potential clients scattered across your phone's contact list? Let's fix that by showing you how to seamlessly upload your phone contacts into Follow Up Boss. First, export your contacts from your phone. The process varies slightly depending on your device, but generally, you'll find an export option within your phone's Contacts app settings. This usually creates a VCF or CSV file containing all your contact information. Now, log into your Follow Up Boss account on your computer. Once you're in, navigate to the Admin section, located on the left-hand side of your screen. Within the Admin section, find and click on Import. You'll be directed to the Import page here. Click on the Choose File button, locate the VCF or CSV file you exported from your phone and select it. Follow Up Boss will then guide you through a contact mapping process. This is where you match the columns in your imported file with the corresponding fields in Follow Up Boss, such as first name, last name, and phone number. Make sure everything is correctly mapped to ensure accurate data transfer. After mapping, click Import Contacts. Follow Up Boss will then upload your contacts. And boom! All your phone contacts are now centralized within Follow Up Boss, ready for streamlined communication and follow-up. Now you can say goodbye to scattered contacts and hello to efficient lead management.